Vietnamese high-quality natural fabrics for our sustainable environment. Ecosilky's vision is well aligned with three Sustainable Development Goals: SDG number 3, Good Health and Well-being; SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production; and SDG 13, Climate Action. Ecosilky provides local farmers in Vietnam with inclusive employment and addresses environmental concerns by utilizing crop wastage, such as bananas and pineapple, to produce sustainable fabrics, all achieved through the Fair Trade Partnership, continuous research, ethical community engagement initiatives, and advanced technology, our uniqueness. Ecosilky products are certified with GOTS, no harmful chemicals, organic and natural, and healthy for all customers' skin and health. With Ecosilky, customers will remain strong, healthy, and happy. The quantity of waste produced by pineapple is concerning, with approximately 20,000 to 25,000 tons per acre left over after harvesting. The pineapple industry's wastewater generates significant amounts of biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, and suspended solids. High COD contents in wastewater are harmful to biological life and will have an impact on the aquatic environment. The same happens to banana waste. Ecosilky utilizes waste products, manufacturing sustainable fabrics, boosts fair trade, creates the secondary source of income for farmers, and has an additional environmental benefit. The manufacturing process creates biomass that can be converted into fertilizer and biogas to be used toward the next harvest. In 2020, the very first tons of banana waste was recycled. In 2021, the consistency of our impact was reflected in the smiles of more than 20 farmers. In 2022, we earned the Global Organic Textile Standard certificate and create a sustainable revenue fund for society. In 2023, 10% of our profit was used for social campaigns such as the Fest 23, website education, and so on.
Ecosilky addresses the root cause of environmental damage in fashion by shifting the industry paradigm. Rather than perpetuating resource-intensive practices, we employ a combination of social bricolage and social engineering, utilizing innovative materials like pineapple and banana fibers to reduce environmental impact and empower local farmers. However, we acknowledge the potential negative impacts such as market competition and resource constraints, which we are actively monitoring and mitigating. At the moment, we do not have a system to calculate the environmental impacts resulting from our business model, unfortunately. We are building an impacts reporting template and measurement system to calculate the ratios, as you can see here. Our aim is that in 2024, the report will be available to the public, and all the information will align with Sustainable Development Goals. To us, social impacts is not a word. It is our vision, our mission. Social impacts is us, is Ecosilky. It is implemented in every single corner of our business operations and model. With pineapple and banana, we get the pineapple fibers after the farmers decorticate. Then we will degum it and put it through our machine to get the non-woven mesh. This progress is a win-win for us, Ecosilky, the farmer, and the environment, as all earned from the waste of pineapple and banana, which normally are thrown away. When the orders rise high, we may import the fibers from our sustainability-oriented partners, Ecosoy and Musapata. The other highlight process is to dye it and custom the end product. We implement the certified zero chemicals dye, enabling no harm or irritation to the skin or health of the end user whatsoever. After 8 to 12 months in the dark and wet environment, the clothes will biodegrade itself and become great additives to the soil. From only a team of 2 with local sales, Ecosilky now expanded to a team of 4 with international sales and many partners throughout the nation who believe in the model, provide constructive feedback, and grow together. As Ecosilky grows, the social impacts grows as the wastage will reduce further and further, and customers receive more and more benefits regards their healthy skin.
Ecosilky's strong past performance shows a fluctuation in revenue due to economic challenges and the pandemic. Yet we have remained above the market average. The sales growth rate from 2021 to 2022 is a positive 10%, with inventory turnover estimated at 20 to 25 days. We keep the turnover low because we use the pre-order and order batch sales. Net income is around 25 to 30% of revenue. Customer acquisition is focused on the website with around 70 to 80% bounce rate, but a steady user increase, currently at 1.8k users. We want to go global, and in 2025, we expand to the world. We expect the year to reach 500,000 USD and the profit will be around 150,000. The profitability when we're stable will range around 25% to 30% of the revenue. Among the profits, we will use 30% for raw materials, 30% for overhead and salary, 20% for marketing, 10% for technology, and most importantly, 10% for social campaigns.
Ecosilky is driven by Mr. Sun Wu, whose extensive experience in technology, fashion, and sustainability initiatives. His dedication to ethical practices and sustainability is evident in every facet of Ecosilky's operations. Under his guidance, the organizational culture at Ecosilky thrives on values that prioritize environmentally responsibility, valuable practices, and community empowerment. The entire team, from workers to production staff, share these ethos, fostering the cohesive environmental where everyone is aligned with the social impact objectives. This collaborative spirit ensures that sustainability isn't just a buzzword, but an integral part of Ecosilky's DNA. The leader also places a strong emphasis on going-on education and development. He actively encourages the members to participate in workshops and training programs focused on social entrepreneurship, sustainability fabrics, and fashion. This investment in the team's skill and knowledge reinforces his commitment to driving social impact. Additionally, the leadership's open and transparent communication style ensures that every team member understands the broader implications of our work. This alignment with the company's social mission empowers its employees to contribute meaningfully to Ecosilky's journey of making sustainability fashion not just a trend, but a transformative force in the fashion industry. At Ecosilky, we recognize that partnership and collaborations are instrumental in implying our social impact, allowing us to achieve more together than we could alone. Here are the key ways to leverage strategic alliances to drive positive change. Number 1, collaborating with sustainable material suppliers or local artisans. One of our primary strategies for reducing our environmental footprint is to source sustainable and innovative materials. To achieve this, we collaborate closely with sustainable material suppliers who share our commitment to eco-friendly fashion. Example, our partnership with Ecosoy and Musa Bata exemplify this approach. They specialize in producing high-quality, cruelty-free material derived from pineapple and banana fibers. By working with them and constantly getting feedback on product design and development, we not only meet the customers' order quantity and assess these sustainable alternatives, but also maintain close relationship with them and support local communities where these materials are harvested. Number 2, NGO and environmental organization collaborations. To address broader social and environmental issues, we collaborate with non-governmental organizations and environmental organizations that share our mission. This partnership expands outreach and impacts into communities and initiatives that align with our values. Example, our ongoing collaboration with Green Earth is a testament to our commitment to social impact. Together, we launched initiatives aimed at reduce trash and increase the use of sustainability clothes items. By partnering with this NGO, we are addressing not only environmentally sustainability, but also expanding our customer range throughout Vietnam. On and on, our strategic partnership and collaboration are integral to our mission at Ecosilky. They allow us to access sustainable materials, support local communities, and address broader societal and environmental issues.
Ecosilky recognizes the value of feedback and embrace a culture of learning and adaptation. Our journey towards enhancing social impact has been marked by significant innovation across multiple dimensions. In terms of human capital, recognizing the significance of a leadership mindset, we have transitioned from traditional appetite to nurturing an entrepreneurial mindset within every member of our team through training. Furthermore, we actively sponsor university students to participate in sustainable fabric production competition, not only raising brand awareness, but also promoting collaboration and social impact. On the social capital front, we have been inspired by our partner and coaches to expand our horizon. We actively seek collaboration with fashion brands, local farmers, and environmental organizations, reaffirming our commitment to sustainability. The innovation reflects Ecosilky's unwavering commitment to advancing sustainability and social impact across its operation. Ecosilky's major risks identified include operational risks like inefficiencies and limited scalability can increase costs. Social impact risks involve potential community exclusion due to high prices. Collaboration risks result from working with numerous partners. To mitigate the risk for operational risks, We have implemented robust systems, improved efficiencies, and invested in talent development to ensure a capable and adaptable team. Social impact risk, we actively engage with local community, conduct needs assessment, and involve beneficiaries in our decision-making processes, continuous monitoring and evaluation, ensure transparency and course correction. For collaboration risk, we carefully select partners aligned with our mission and values, maintaining clear goals, expectation, and regular evaluation. These steps contribute to effective execution of our business model and social mission. Ensuring Ecosilky's continued social impact for transition is vital to us. We will establish a sustainable foundation to oversee key programs, allocate resources, and maintain partnership. Additionally, ethical succession planning will identify leaders, sharing our values, and ensure a seamless transfer of knowledge and oversight. This commitment guarantees our legacies of sustainability and positive change persist, benefiting community, the environment, and the fashion industry.